Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Intelligent Institute of Education. Today, my session is that let before explaining, let me share the screen so we can understand. Right. So now I am going to share the screen with you so we can understand. Fine. Let me maximize this screen. Fine. So now today I am going to explain set data types in a Python. Fine. So how sets behaves, sets is going to work, and we are going to implement in a programming language. Fine. So first of all, let me define what is the set. Basically, a set contain multiple items, multiple types of data in set. And now this is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed because this is not using index. So this is called as unordered. So we can access every element one by one because here we are not using indexed. Fine. So this is unindexed, and every element separated by comma, and finally we can use curly brackets, and this also called as a braces. Fine. So now the concept is that we have to understand what is the purpose, the goal behind this when we are going to use this sets data types in a Python programming language, right? Because when you are going to give in any interview or when you are going to write any questions, your examiner or your interviewer is asking. So we have to be very clear, and we have to learn thoroughly, and as well as we have to keep our foundation strong. So when our foundation is strong, so we can understand properly. Fine. So first point I want to explain you, remove duplicates. So when we are going to use set data types in a Python, so it means that here data will be unique, and as well as we are going to use this data cleaning, basically we can use in a data science, right? Second, we have that we have counting unique elements. It means that just now I explained here also the our element will be unique, so easily it will count. If more than one, so it will count only one time. Fine. Membership, like membership, for example, like membership we have here in and not in. So like we have to check any element is present or not. So with the help of in operator, we can check. After this explanation, I will take you in Jupyter notebook. So in that, I will explain you clearly so you can understand that. Is this clear? Next, we have set operations. So already you like you can remember that when you were in class 11 and class 12, you studied like set theory. So in that we have set like more than one set, and we have to join two sets. So what was we done the operation like in that use the operation union. Okay, means combine the set. Next, like you want to do intersection. So here also we can do it. Set 1 and 2, we want to do minus, that also we can do it here, that is called differences. So this all operations we can do it in here in also in set. Fine. Next we have like some more goals, some more purposes I want to explain, like hashing. So basically hashing is used for to find out, we want to find out any data in data set, so it will be easy and it will be quite fast. Like already we have studied in a lookup function. So here also we are going to use a lookup function. Basically lookup function used for while we are going to find, we are going to search, so it will retrieve very fastly. Fine. Next we have graph algorithm. It means that like graph travels from one node to any other node, so easily we can find out here. A statistical analysis and data science already explained, and this also functions we can use, like we are going to categorize the variables, categorize the data, what type of data you are going to categorize. So this also we can do it here. Like network programming. So this also we can use it like IP address you want, and we are going to configure the network, and we are going to configure the ports. So this all we can do it with the help of this set data types. Next, we have like database operations. Like you want to use relational database, it means that in every tables we have to give the relations. Each column we have to give the relation. Each rows we have to give the relation, and as well as we can join that, we can filter that, we can remove the duplicacy, redundancy. This also all facility also we can do it in database here. And this is the we can say the last the operations I want to explain you. For example, security and cryptography. So nowadays and here we have to secure our data. Fine, in the sense of secure, how we can manage with the unique keys and identify common elements in databases. And while you are sending the message from one place to any other place, from one node to any other node, so how we can use the cryptography. So our SMS assortment service, it will be secure that what we are going to send it. Next, I want to tell you that in practical also use like when we are going to use false, that 0, so it will consider only one. False means a 0 and 0 means false. And now here 1 we are considering true, so it will accept as a 1. So duplicate data, this will remove it. So now I will take you in Jupyter notebook. In that I will explain you like how we can create and know that with the help of type command, what type of data type already we have studied in where, in list, in tuples, in dictionary. The same thing also we can do it with the help of type command. We can understand, we can know that what type of data we have used here. Fine. Then also we can understand length command, how many elements. Then different types of we can use here elements, you can print it. The more thing is that constructor, the basically constructor used to change, like for example we can say here in tuple. So tuple we cannot modify, like once we create a tuple we cannot modify. Then what we have to do, with the help of list constructor we can change the type of data. Fine. So list converted into where, sorry, that tuple converted into a list, and list we can modify that. Fine. And again after modification we can convert into a tuple. This is vice versa. Tuple to list, again we can modify, and this list we can convert into a tuple. Same thing here, constructor also we can convert here. Fine. And then what we can do, it means that this explicitly, basically this constructor I will explain where in class and object. Fine. So now in this is after that when I will start class and object, then I will explain in detail. Now here I am giving the introduction. What is the basically the meaning of in constructor? Fine. So our constructor, it means that explicitly we are not going to define, we are not going to enter any data. Fine. During a runtime it will accept it. So this is the basically the rule that is called, we are going to initialize for the object. So this is called as a constructor. Like we can say explicitly we cannot define, implicitly we can do it. Fine. Next we can use here loops, then statements we can find out, we can add, and we can remove, we can use delete, the pop and clear. Fine. And next operation like we can use like union and intersection differences and semantic differences, like in both set 1 and set 2, which elements it not means the same, so it will list that element. So now I'm going to take you, and again as same usual, any question you have, please write down in comment. So far you are not writing any question in the comment, please write down, so accordingly I will answer it. So since the beginning I am saying please watch my channel, watch my videos, because from beginning every topic I'm going to explain clearly, because I am working hard, and watch from beginning to end, and you work also, because practice is most important thing. Whatever I'm explaining, if you cannot do and we cannot do, so this is the useless, because here every command based on that practical things. Like, so I have given slogan learn every concept as a challenge. Fine. So whatever the concept, we have to keep, we have to make a strong our foundation. Then only we will become the we can say excellent coder. Fine. So without here wasting time, now I am going to take you in Jupyter notebook. So it will be easy and we can understand. Fine. Yeah. So this is the Jupyter notebook. Near about 18 commands and with methods I am going to explain you here. Fine. So now first I'm going to take here one cell, and in this I will tell you how to create our set. Fine. So now I'm going to take here st. Fine. Set. Basically we can take any, we can take here any variable, like, so I am taking here, but we have to take here meaningful so we can understand, because after some time when we are going to access, so we should understand. So we have to take such type of data, such type of variables, so we have to understand. Is this clear? Now st, and as I explained here, we can take here a brace and braces we can take a braces, like I have taken here 100 and I take here 40.60 decimal, and then 7 plus 8j complex, and now here I am going to take here UAE one string, and other string like I can say here INDIA India, and other I will take here FALSA false, and also I will take here 0. Fine. Now I am going to print this. So basically this is set. So all elements separated by comma, and after that I have used here braces, and now I am going to print this. So simple as usual, we have to write here command print, and we can control and enter execute this. We have printed here. Now see, now false and 0. Fine. So false accepted, 0 is truncated. Just now when I was explaining, so I told it will take 1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter here 0. Fine. Execute this. What will happen? Let's see. So now accepted here 0. It means that in a data set, which one will come first? Like here come first here 0. So 0 accepted and remaining truncated. Fine. Now in place of 0, so it will be here false. It will be here false first. False. How many here? Now we have seen like 4. So this duplicate data is going to remove this, right? Enter this. So remove, accepted here, only one false. Clear now? So now here see 100, we have 100, 40.60, we have 7 plus complex, we have string, we have. Is this all right? Now I will check with the help of type command. Print, and now I will use type and name of here st and run this. So given here set. Is this all right? Now one more. Individual also we can check it. Now like print, and here I can use set. Sorry, I can use type, 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 and I can use directly. I'm going to write here 100. Execute this. So given here int. Fine. So now next, what we have to do? Next, I created a type use printed. Now find the length of that. How many length in this element? So we can do as usual in tuple. We have done len command. Here also we can use len command. Print, and here you can use our len, and you can write here st and run this command. So printed here 6 elements we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that now it is here very clear. How many we have used here? See, 4. False, 0, false, 0. Now we have duplicate here more than 1. It means that 4 data. But now in data set accepted here 1. So total element we have 6. 3 false. It means that 3 0 truncated. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is this all right? And again, I will tell you, please watch my videos. I am working very hard this time, and practice a lot. Fine. Any doubt, please write in comment section, please and please. And subscribe also my channel because this is very important for me. Right? Fine length. Now constructor. So now let's see here how to create a constructor. Very simple. Like I am going to use here any variable name st this much. Okay. And here you can write here set and this and run this and print print or a part of this 3 1 leave that we can take here like 7. Okay, and print here st7 and type also command. Okay, type type and here it should be st7 and it should be a print. Okay, it should be here print. Do it, practice, please practice and practice a lot. Now see here set constructor is we have done here created and class is set. Fine. So this all again this set we learn detail in class and object. Fine. Is this clear? The next is there constructor initialize an object. Clear? Next, set items using loop. Now we want to use loop and as well as we want to check. Fine. So now loop. I can use here for I in where is that our data? Our data is this st. I am going to copy here and I am going to print it here. So you can understand. Here I can write here st and colon. I can write here print and here use here what I want to I execute this. See, all printed here false only one time. We have 4, but it will accept only one time. This all here data elements printed with the help for loop. But as usual, we have done in tuple and list and dictionary, like for example, this way, but this will not accept. Why? Because not based on the index. Fine. Like for example, st and I can use here I. So it will give here error. See, set not a subscriptable. It means that this is not based on the index. Is this clear? So we cannot access like here how I have written here. Fine. Simply Control Z. Now use a del command. Fine. Execute it here. Is this clear now? Now I will use a statement. So in a loop, you have any doubt? So please clarify here, okay? And please write in where? In comment section, please. Okay. Now I am going to use here like if. Okay. Which element I am going to check? Like I am going to check India. So because India is a string, so we can use here single quotes or double quotes. If India in where? st. Okay. Now print print print. Here we can use quotes. Yes, India is be present in data set. See, sentence we can make as per our requirement. Any sentence we can make it. No issue for that. Only we are learning here command if you are going to check. And this also we can check, like for example, in a list, we are going to find out any name of the student, name of the employee, name of the estates, the city, XYZ, blah, blah, anything. Like for example, when you are going to enter in a mall, fine. And when you are going to enter in a grocery shop and you are finding any particular items, is it available? Yes or no? Is it clear? Like for example, I am going to search any particular laptop. Is it available? Yes or no? Fine. So here, like again, I will print here. Basically, we can save our time because this video also going to become big. Okay, but I don't want to make long videos. Fine. So here, no, this here we can display here, no. Okay, no. And here, yes. Yes, India is available present in the data set. Fine, run this. So we got here, yes, India. See, India we have. In place of India, so already present. So given yes, yes, if command executed. So in place of India, for example, I will make here UK, UK. And now here we can change this India to UK. And here also I will change India to UK. Fine. Execute this because UK we don't have here. In this, there is no UK. Let's see how command is executing. So no, UK is not present in this data set. Is this all right? So please you practice it. Now this also access if finish change item. Once a set is created, it's we cannot update. But anyhow, we can use a help with the help of add. Add like for example, in this we have created here. Fine. This. Now in this I am going to enter any. So like for example, st dot okay add, and here I will add for example true true true. Okay, execute this. So he executed here. We can print out and we can understand here. So print print st and execute this. So now see, yes, true. In true in this in data set we don't have here true, but true I have added here. So now in this, while we got the output after execution, we got here yes this true we have here. Is this all right? But we cannot update, we cannot modify. But here we can add with the help of add command. Is this clear? After add, remove. So how we can remove? See here, we can remove. Now, for example, I'm going to write here st dot remove remove. Okay. Now what I want to remove? Like I want to remove 100. Okay, 100. Execute this. So executed, it means that no error. We can print out here. Print like st. We can print 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 and st. st. Remove 100, print st. Okay, do one thing, take the new cell, and here what I will do, print, and here I will write st. Execute this. So now see, 100 we don't have. Here actually already we have removed, and again I am using this command. So we got here this message already removed. So now how many times it will remove? Once we have removed, then it cannot removed again. Fine. So in this data set, there is no 100 removed. So after removed, now for example, we can use pop, clear and del. Pop, clear and del. Fine. So now data set. Now we can copy this data set here. And now I'm going to write here, for example, SA, right? And after SA, I'm going to copy this data here. After that, I will print this data. What it will be here? Let's see here. It will, after printing, it will display here SA. Fine. So now we got it here. Fine. So we can use here. Fine. For example, pop. So SA dot pop and this and execute this. So here false. First element in this data set, in a set especially when we are going to use pop, so first element it will delete, it will remove it from that data set. Next, for after pop, then clear and then del. So now for example, I will use here st and dot clear clear and execute this command. So now you can print here print, not st, sa. Here sac. I kept here this SA, and print here SA. Execute this first and execute this. So set is empty. Everything is cleared. Fine. Again, I am going to copy and final command. I will show you. Take the new cell, new cell here, and I am going to paste it. Fine. Here I will use del. Okay, del, and I'll use here SA and print also print SA. Execute this command. So now with the help of del command, delete entire data set. See, name SA is not defined. It means that when we have deleted, and again we are going to print out. So impossible. We cannot access. We cannot retrieve. Because why? Because already we have deleted. Fine. So what I will do, I will copy this from here. Fine. And I am going to take new cell and I will paste it here. And again, I will use here print now SA, and it will printed here. Fine. Now this the basic command is finished, and quickly I want to explain here this union intersection because video is now half an hour. Oh, okay. Now for example SA. So now I want to make here for example SE equal to for example, I can use SA dot COPY. Let's see, this would work. It means that working. Fine. Now print and SE. So now see, copied command from same data we have copied from SA to SE. It means that now we have two set SE and SA. So what I will do in SA, I will make some, because both are same. So how we can identify? So here some data I'm going to enter like 600, and I'm going to enter 450, and here maybe we can say any other data like 900. Fine. This is the new data. Now I am going to use. Now we have two data set. Finally, I will do one thing. I will take the plus symbol, and here finally print what? SA. Okay. And again print here print what? SE. Both. Execute this. Now see here. SA and SE. Okay. So okay, copied here. So I will do better. I will copy from here. So it will be no confusion. Okay. Here. Now run this. Now here, see. So SA we have this much and SC we have this much. Now I am going to take one cell, and in this I will use union combined. Okay. So I can use here like for example SK equal to SA, and union symbol we can use this union symbol, or before union as like say dot. Okay, UNION union, and here SE. Okay, and then I am going to print this print. Fine. SK. Execute this. So now see, both cell has merged that union. Now false we have 2, we have 450, we have 946. Now new data India, and 7 plus 8J merged. Fine. In place of this command, I'm going to take new plus, and here what I will do. So this data set copy here, and this data set also copy here is it will become like any variable sk equal to this. Fine. Now I will use in place of union symbol like SDF equal to SA, and now symbol I am going to use this symbol Okay, union symbol. Fine. We have used in bitwise operator, if you can remember. Fine. SK. And now right here, print SDF. Execute this. So now see, I have here, see, SA is a one set, SK is a other set. In place of union, I use here this symbol that is called as a union symbol or symbol. Fine. So this is combined here. Is this clear? Any doubt? Now I can use here intersection. Fine. Intersection. So I am going to use here SDFG equal to equal to equal to equal to SA dot INTERSECTION intersection, and here I will write here SK. Okay, and print here SDFG print SDFG. Okay, this. Now see here, intersection, this also worked. Fine. Intersection means same data. Like, so intersection of false, false we have, true, 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 true also same, and then 40 plus 6G same, and UAE same, and India same, 7 plus 8J, 7 plus 8 same. So same data executed, printed here. Fine. In place of intersection, now I am going to use ampersand symbol, ampersand symbol here. This. Okay. But dot, I have to remove this dot. A space and give here a space. Remove this what? Parenthesis. And this also remove the parenthesis, execute this command. So this also working. Is this clear? Or symbol also working and AMP symbol also working. Now in this we have difference. See, we have here difference and symmetric difference. That's it. Now difference. Now what I will do? I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to take a new cell. I'm going to paste it, and here I'm going to use difference. Like any variable, like I'm going to take t equal to SA dot DIFF ERENCE, and here I will use SK. Fine. And here use print print. Here use here T. Execute this command. So now differences 600, 450, and 900 is there. Fine. Now in place of difference, I can use minus also. It will work it here. Minus. See here. Or I will do one thing. In place of unnecessary, I will copy. So because I will make a lesson and I will give you here. Same. Okay. So I'm giving you also in description in detail. Fine. So please go through the description also. Every detail I'm writing. So here, now use this. Now same. So minus is also working and difference also working. Both are same. Is clear? So please practice. Now final symmetric difference. Final symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Basically, this method used, right? And this symbol also circumflex. Control C. I'm going to take here new cell. Fine. And in this, for example, I can use any other variable like h. H equal to a dot symmetric difference, and here I will use sk. Fine. Because I have one set, sk I have other set. I'm going to use symmetric difference. So basically it will explain, it will give which is not a common. Print. Okay. Let's see. Print h. 450, 900, 600. Fine. Symmetric difference. And here also we can use we can use control C. Take the new cell, and here with the help of symbol, like this symbol, we can say circumflex, fine, or also we can say cap, or as well as caret symbol. Actual name of that in, because we are the student of computer science, fine. So we can say circumflex. And we can execute this. So this also working this symbol. Is this all right? So let me check everything I have explained, and I have explained. See circumflex symbol. This also. So now finally, now this video also became very large. So I explained here. Fine. Let me stop this. Now finally, see I have given the how we can define the set. Then I have explained what are the means. It means that what are the purposes. I explain everything. After that, I given the commands how we can create and how we can display, and all methods I explained. So you have what you have to do. You have to practice thoroughly, because when you are going to give any interview, or you are sitting for any examination, so our basic things that should be strong. Fine. When the basic thing is strong, and you are going to face, you are going to get any questions. So interviewer, they'll see how you are going to approach that question. Fine. How you are going to solve. What are the idea you are going to apply. So what you have to do, make your basic as strong. Fine. Practice a lot, and subscribe my channel, please, and watch completely so you can understand, and please write in comment section. Thank you very much.